Fix Teams error code 214-794-2402 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Delete Teams cache. Corrupted cache data can stop Teams from launching properly. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Check for missing system components. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Repair or reset Teams. If that didn't work, Fix 4. Run Teams as administrator. This error may be caused by Teams not having enough permissions to access certain system files or services. Fix 5. Enable essential services. If critical services like the user profile or RPC services are disabled, Teams may fail to start. For each service, ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. If it's not, select automatic from the drop-down menu. Check the service status. If the service is not running, click the Start button to start it. Click Apply and then OK for each service. Close the services window and restart your device. If that didn't work, Fix 6. Create a new local user account. Assign a username and password for the new account and complete the setup. Log out of your current account and log into the new account.